So next, still by you, Mr.
Exactly.
Hassan,
Yes,
is
KPN Fashion.
KPN Fashion. So, but before we begin, let's move to our APF.com screenshot first. So again, KPN Fashion is under the same group of Blue Diamond. They are manufacturing bags and leather goods. They can they can make OEM products for you. And I believe you also have your own brands for your domestic market. And if you scroll down, you can see all the product types they can make, including bags and belts. So here you can find the full information of KPN Fashions. And don't forget, you can click the contact us button to send your inquiry. But if you have just joined us, we are going to upload all the replays to our YouTube. And you can, for the past InTouch event, you can find the clips there. So back to you. If you have, if you are ready,
yes, I'm ready. I'm ready. Yes, yes.
Yeah, but
let me start the
when you go through the PowerPoint, especially those pictures, make it slow so that we can see it clearly.
Because I'm trying to carve up your time because you have given me a very short time to carve up time and trying to do that. Okay, anyway, it's all available in the net, and also we are going to upload in the YouTube as such you have said. Anyway, I'll go through it slowly. Okay, I'll go through slowly. Yeah. Now we start with the KPN Fashion. Engineering life to the lifeless. Okay, the name has been given as engineering life to the lifeless. The reason is this, that the animal is dead, and then we are bringing life to that particular dead animal and making it valuable. That is why we say life to the lifeless. That is KPN Fashion. KPN Fashion is a new venture from the group Blue Diamond Leathers to engineer fashion and classic leather bags and accessories. A strong professional team runs the business with futuristic and innovative ideas to create a fresh collection of bags, belts, sandals, and accessories. Every product developed is passionately engineered to ensure perfection, aesthetics, utility, fashion, and value for money. Established in 2019, production capacity of around 10,000 bags and 10,000 wallets we have in this unit. Leather sourced is owned from our own tannery, which is LWG Tannery. Our customers are from Europe, Australia, and US. Active R&D team and effective line of production is our strength. This is the group address, and the email address is available over here for your ready reference. We are working towards getting our approvals from BSCI and SEDEX Global, and once we have this, we will pass on to our customers. Noel is our brand, which we have created for the domestic market to offer all our footwear, leather goods, and accessories for the Indian market. Know your leather, that became Noel, because there has been a lot of wrong propaganda happening about leather. So we want everybody to be aware of the leather. That is how this quote came as Know Your Leather for Noel. These are some of our coat stopper bags in 3 different sizes. Now we have another shape over here for you to get. All these are made from our own leather, which is our pebble leather. This is again another different collections of colors on this. Another shape of the bag. And this is a satchel and an evening bag, which has been made with a nice handle, and we have a rope insert over there, which makes it nice to carry over there. And that's a nice color again, which is having a camel color on that. And that's an evening bag. And okay, that's a bag with the embossing on it. Okay, this is an embossing which you have, which gives a nice leaf design on it. That's coming on the flap, and the body of the leather is a Napa. This is again a fine mill leather, which are using over here to make a pale pink. Okay, because that's a pale pink. The color may look little dull in the camera, but then that's a pale pink color. That's a nice satchel again with a long handle. That's a tote, mini tote rather. That's a evening wear, perfect evening wear for a party. That's again a mini shopping bag. Now we have this classic women bag with hand-woven leather trims. Now we have made the whole leather in a fine milled Napa, and then we have added value to the leather with the woven trims. The woven trims are a specialty because we do a folded and a flat laced weaving, and that's our specialty. So we have added everywhere. You find in the same bag over there in the handles, you find the round laced over there, and the flat lace is on the other parts of the body. This is again on the same collection. We have a different color combination. You can see over here a different type of a weaving combination which has gone together with the regular Napa bag to make it value addition. This is again just to put up over there for a decorative purpose. We have added the weaving onto that. And that's a messenger and a crossbody bag. You can have it either way. That's a nice bag with a canvas and a leather combination. And that's totally done by embossed leather. That's a embossed leather on our own vegetable leather. You can see, look at the embossed effect of it. It's very really strong. And that's a pull-up leather with a waxy effect, and that is for the crossbody bag. And this is a Napa leather, and that is again a crossbody bag on that. And this one has got the on the flap and the pockets. It has got that particular embossing design to make it look attractive and value addition to the product. And that's a nice evening bag. And we have the other range of ladies' purses and men's wallets. And these are some of the ladies' purses what we produce over here. You can see different colors and combinations we have over here. You can see the different colors what we have over here. And all our leathers are from the Tannery, and this is a men's collection. We have some men's wallets, which is a double fold, trifold. All these productions are from our own plant. All our leathers are used over here, and you can see over the brand naming what we are doing over here. This is for the domestic market. We do our branding over here. And that's a passport case on a cocoa leather. And then we come into the patent leather collection with the hand woven laces, which is used as trims. That makes it additionally beautiful in the bags. Again, in a different color and a different texture, you've got a different embossing over here with a lizard print on that. And again, a multicolor collection which you have put up together on the patent leather. And all these patents are water patent. This is not based on any solvent, so these are all perfectly suitable for any type of testing as such. And then we have the sustainable collection. This is purely a sustainable collection where we put the canvas and the leather combination together. These leathers are coming from our sustainable department where it's all totally sustainable. You can see the different cut. That's a floral print, and that's a zigzag print coming onto that, and that's a nice small floral print coming onto that, and that's a nice design. And then you can see the whole collections over here. And this is the hand tooled bag collection, and we have a department which works with us for our own vegetable leather made from the LWG Tannery. We do all the hand tooling. And this is the natural leather. We do the hand tooling first, and then we start coloring on that. And that's a nice collection with a nice tassel hanging on that. And this is the classic men's leather belt we produce, and with a trade backing on. That's again a nice collection of men's belts. And we have the leather notebooks and diaries, because we have a lot of universities around, and these boys and girls come and pick up these diaries on a day-to-day basis. And this is a nice notebook for a businessman, and for an executive, it's a nice notebook to be there. And these are our belts collection, which is based on round and flat laced hand woven belts, and with a leather buckle. These are our whole collection as such. And you can see the whole collection of the woven belts put together, the different colors and combinations, which are doing for a German company. And this is again the goat spades what we use for the garments. The leftover of the spades, we are putting that as a nice collection for a home product to be on the cushion cover. And these are our leather charms to be put up with the bags. And that completes our PowerPoint presentation. Now we come with the direct presentation of the bags. Thank you very much. You can see here a nice satchel with a Napa. That's a nice satchel bag with a Napa. Pebble leather put up on this, and a nice satchel on that made from the pebble leather. You can see here. Again, an evening bag with a nice leather rope handle, which makes it comfortable as well. This is one of the big totes possible as a shopper bag. The collection. This is again the Napa leather made, and then you can find the specialties about the handles. You can find the round laced handles over here. That's all used over here perfectly. You can see over here. And this is the bag you have seen on the presentation also. Here, embossed leather, and then you find the lacings done over here with the hand over lace. This is the embossed leather, which is coming on the flap. That is the flower design and leaf design embossed coming on the flap. Another embossed design for your collection. You can look at the embossing, how deep it gets into it. The leather makes the difference. The vegetable leather makes the difference. And this is again a plain leather, and with the embossing print on it, this is a different leaf print on it. This is a men's portfolio bag. You can see it, and then this particular bag has a very nice lining inside. So we always try to be very conscious about the lining we use. We always use some nice printed lining, which is all digital printed, and it looks nice over here. That's a backpack with a embossed leather. You can see our prints and emboss of it. You can see the leather. That's a canvas bag. Again, this is coming under our chrome free collection of bags, and then you can see the leather, which is used as a very small portion of leather trim is being used over here, and then rest is all canvas. This is all coming under the sustainable family. Again, this is our sustainable collection, which is a digital printed canvas, and with the you can find the leather to be sustainable totally over here. And that's a smaller bag for a shopper bag. You can find the sustainable collection with the handle and on leather and the straps on leather, and you can find the collection over there. And these are just to show some of our effect on the leather. Because we have a nice vegetable leather which makes this tooling so perfect on this. You can look at the tooling effect on this. These are all totally handmade, and then this is all being developed by our own artisan craftsmen, and we are keeping them engaged with this particular job, and we add everything to our collection of bags so that the bags look trendy and the collection looks exotic.
It seems that there is some connection problem with Mr. Vasan factories. Anyway, they have just finished the third presentation of the groups. So let me recap: is they have Blue Diamonds, Prime Shoes, and KPN Fashions. So if you have any questions, my colleagues here has just posted all of the apf.com showrooms link on the chat box. And if you are interested to contact them, please make use of the make appointment functions, as well as the contact us button, where you can ask for quotations. Or if you have any other questions or make connections, please do so.